Meaning of high-pitched.
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 High-pitched. High-pitched refers to a sound that is higher in frequency and register than usual. It is typically associated with sounds made by objects or voices that are small or thin. When someone speaks in a high-pitched voice, their vocal cords vibrate at a faster rate, creating a higher-pitched tone. Animals such as birds and mice often make high-pitched sounds, which can be difficult for humans to hear. High-pitched sounds can be piercing and uncomfortable to listen to, especially if they are loud or prolonged. Overall, high-pitched sounds are characterized by their high frequency and thin, sharp quality.